Tarun.
How sweet, Tarun.
Tarun बेटा हाथ उठाओ. Where is this Tarun Wadhwani?
There.
क्या आप एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि आपने विपुल हेगड़े को छेड़ा है? नहीं. क्या विपुल हेगड़े ने आपको छेड़ा है? क्या ये पीछे जो 4 लड़के खड़े हैं वो आपको छेड़ रहे हैं? क्योंकि मुझे उनके हाथ नहीं दिख रहे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग.
Okay,
they are all making their first move on him right now. How does it feel, bro?
Did you
all love you, yaar.
Did
It's
you
all
make
about
the
love.
first move on Vipul?
Universal love. Shandar is about love. Regardless of where it comes from, take it. We love you more. Thank you so much. We love you more.
Your cup is overflowing with love. Oh. No, but you want to tell us, did you make the first move or did he make the first move? I know, but did you all make a first move of friendship? First move can be a friendship also, yeah, guys. I made the first move on Shahid. We are friends. You all didn't do? Okay. So you all just became friends by mistake. Okay. Facebook friends. So your Instagram, Facebook, you all are really killing it on the social networking sites.
Tanvi wants to take a selfie, otherwise she'll shadow everybody on stage.
Okay, come.
So everybody get inside this selfie. Can you see everybody? You need it personally? Okay, come. देख ले भाई, मैं दूर खड़ा हूँ, टेंशन मत ले. Come.
Alright, so apart from getting selfies and time on stage with our fabulous Shandar stars, the winners also get very exclusive hampers from Close Up. So, okay, and Gaurav, my man, can you please bring out the hampers for our winners? Here he comes. Alright, so congratulations guys, these are your hampers.
Okay, thank you very much. And now Mr. Hegde will go back to his best friend and they will discuss how to make their first move with each other. And Tanvi has already left the building.
Yeah, she
Bye, Tanvi.
Bye. We like meeting you.
She's like, you gave me gifts, bye.
तेरा सेट है बॉस, आज तेरा सेट है.
That's all she wanted.
वो मुझे आलिया को छोड़ के जो भागी है क्लोज अप तेरे साथ शेयर करने के लिए.
हाँ. She really loves you, bro.
तुम दोनों क्लोज अप यूज करके अपनी फर्स्ट मूव डिसाइड करना. हाँ?
It's love.
All the best.
Love.
बड़ा खुश लग रहा है. Already छोड़ के जा रहा है ये, इसका तो हो गया.
You don't want to go to Tarun? No? You're happy here?
You're okay here?
He's chilling. You're settling here.
He's feeling, look at his heartbroken.
But then it's...
He's already started flirting with the 3 boys behind. He's saying, अच्छा तू नहीं आ रहा है? अच्छा तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Alright, cool.
Thank you so much.
Vipul, thank you so much. Congratulations again, man. Congratulations, bro. Please wash your hands. I have a cold. Seriously, I have cooties. Alright, and now something extremely special for all of you in case you did not already know. Close Up has brought these stars together right here for all of us. Why? Because they partnered up with these guys for the film and they have their very own exclusive Close Up pack, which is very Shandar. So you guys please go ahead and unveil it now for everybody.
Before that happens, alright, Close Up and Shandar have come together and they've created this really special pack, which is the Close Up Shandar pack, which the beautiful Alia and the dapper Shahid are going to unveil right here. But before that, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Samir Singh, Executive Director, Hindustan Unilever Limited, to kindly join us on stage, along with Sashwat Sharma and Gauri Gupta from the Close Up brand team. Before this wonderful
all of the important people on stage. Here we go. Welcome to the stage, guys. Alright, so basically we are all here because of these people, these amazing people. So please, round of applause, you guys. Very hard-working people right here. Alright.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Shahid and Alia unveiling the all-new...
Ladies and gentlemen, then boys and girls, then Shahid and Alia. Means which category are we in? You made a third category called Shahid and Alia.
You're the couple, yeah, you're on that pack. You're on the pack.
Special mention.
Okay,
so today's special mention.
Before we reveal, all of you do one thing for me. What will you do? Just, you all will scream Shandar damn loudly. again. Thanks. I love you.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Moment is taking place. Look, Rudy, look.
Mr. Sameer, would you like to say something to this wonderful couple here today?
I think it's really historic. We have never changed the close-up couple on the pack. So I think you're now on the pack. This is a great honor for us, and this will go. We sell 60 million packs at any given time. So this will go to all our people who use close-up.
I hope all these 60 million people come watch the film.
Yes, and we want our own. We want our own packs because this is really, really cool, and I'm really excited about the fact that there's a toothpaste which has my face on it, and now it has Alia's face and my face on it, and it's for Shandar, which is, we never said, releasing on the 22nd of October. So please go check it out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope all of you get a pack of this specific close-up pack.
Try and get close to somebody that you want to get close to.
Of course, the Shandar close-up pack, and I hope it helps Rancho get close to Tanvi and everybody else as well. What's up?
All right, one last question going out to Shahid and Alia. What was it like when somebody made the first move on you in college, in school? When was that first time when somebody came up? Was it a good line? Was it a good opening line? Or was it like something you don't want to remember?
You want to make a first move? Okay, what would you say to me? Okay, now, this is your opportunity. No, you can't come here. From far away you have to say. Okay, play hard to get with me. Shahid. So, what would you say to me? To make your first move?
Whoever said, hey, sexy, that's a horrible line.
Hey, somebody give him a mic. Check. Ishq wala love. Huh? Chillane wala shouting.
Hello. Shahid, my first move with you will be a screening of Viva with you. Only you and me.
You want to watch Viva with me in a theatre?
Yes. But baby, it's like a Shandar.
How will you? You will watch Shandar. See, that's a better move.
Yeah, that's a way better move.
Viva and Shandar both. Then after Shandar.
Done deal.
हम लोग theatre ही खरीद लेंगे.
What?
जब मन हुआ जाके picture चालू करके जाएंगे.
Good one. I love horse riding.
No.
10 boyfriends.
Coffee.
Time 10 can be friends.
Thought
of course we can be friends.
कुछ नया सोच. हाँ?
Acha, he knows my address. Don't say so loud.
You have. What? I can't hear what you're saying.
What?
I love you.
Alia sing song.
That's too soon, babe. You need to start getting to know me first.
What's your name?
Too soon. I love you too soon. You're scaring me. Give me some.
Anil, anybody wants to listen? Anil sing. कैसे लड़के हो तुम लोग यार सब? Be more supportive towards Anil. You want to sing, Anil? You want to sing for Alia? Will you give me my mic back? You promise? Okay, here, 1, 2, 3. Anil wants to sing for Alia. It better be a good song and you better sing well because all these guys are not interested. So make it work now. Come on.
देखा है तुझको जब से हम तो हो गया लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे और जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत और पलट तेरा ध्यान किधर है कि तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है तेरा हीरो इधर है
Superb. Damn cute, yeah. Full marks to you.
I was just going to say that's dangerous. All right. All right.
जब किसी को मारना होता है तो जब किसी को प्यार से देना होता है